Alright guys, so I know I said I was going to get this video to you tomorrow, but I'm pretty damn excited about this, so I wanted to get it to you guys today. There's some little bugs that we still have to get ironed out, nothing huge, but we just want to make sure that all the emails always get sent and little things like that that we're just still playing around with on various servers. So after I sent the video over to you guys the other day, Rob asked me about shortcodes, and it kind of got to a much bigger discussion of, hey, what if we just give every landing page, whether you have created it or not, the ability to go viral? So that way, all you have to do is just implement some HTML, and you've boom instantly created a viral landing page. And so let me just quickly show you guys what we have so far. We have This is just a landing page that I had already created, and so I enter in my email address and I click send me the marketing lessons, and now I'm taken to what's called a referral page. And as you can see, this referral page will gives you a bit.ly link, which is a share link. You have the ability to share on Facebook, and you have the ability to tweet it on Twitter. And so this basically says, hey, if you send this link to 5 of your friends, you're going to learn exactly what I did to get a blog post featured on popular blogs like Copyblogger, Kissmetrics, Social Media Examiner, and others. So that's really how it works. And again, this works on on any sort of landing page that you already created, or any widget, things like that. It'll also work with lead pages and lead boxes, so we could turn those content upgrades that we've been kind of creating into into some viral content as well. And so now I'll take you a little bit behind the scenes to show you exactly what happens. So we go here, and this is the referral page, but I'm going to show you the landing page template that we had. And so this is a customized landing page template. So if I scroll down here, you'll see the form code. And if you notice, the form code here, especially up top, is where it's really where it's really sort of highlighted is. You'll see that we have some different redirect values than you would normally see in standard Aweber form code. So you see it goes to the referral page, for the input name, for the share URL. We've had to create that, and we've also created it for, so we also had to install it, tell exactly where the page was. So we had to put it on the website here. And we also, the action is, instead of whatever, I think it's add lead or whatever you Aweber calls it, now it's you have to put the plugin address essentially into the action item. But what's going to happen is when you subscribe to Aweber, or in your case get response, this code is just going to be printed out for you, generated for you. So all you have to do is just copy and paste it into into where your form code would go, and so that way you could keep all the CSS. None of that has to change. None of your other HTML, so your design is going to look exactly the same. Nobody will even see a difference there. And so the other thing that has to happen is to get the we did keep one short code, but we will be getting rid of that shortly. Is in the referral page. So you have to create another page called a referral page, and this is the page essentially where they go after they click their enter their email address. So you have to put this short code right here, and this will generate your unique URL. But again, this is eventually going to go over to and move to HTML, because in the very near future, I'm talking within 3 weeks, Rob and Liam, I could kind of envision something here where we install the code on timedoctor.com, and where we have the test it out, we can put this code, the HTML, on this button here, and you could have something like that says something along the lines of, hey, if you share Time Doctor with 10 of your friends, then you get a free single user license for a year. And so we could create some virility into the app itself, not just the content. So that's where I also very in the very near future envision going. It is a little clunky, I admit. It is a first version, and as I start installing these in more and more sites, I plan on upgrading the user interface, which is still the same as it was before. So you can still you have the email set up here. Oops. You have the email set up, you have the referral messages to social media, and you can see some of the statistics and analytics and things like that. So I hope that gives you a little bit more insight. Again, when everything, right now everything is manually coded, we're going to do the user generated code by the end of this week. Going to test that out, play around with that, and so we could have my hope is that we have by next Wednesday at the latest, we have this installed on the Biz30 blog. Again, any feedback is greatly appreciated, and when the whole system is complete, when everything is done, I will I'll update you with another video. But until then, I'll talk to you guys later.